Can you explain what debt to income ratio is?
I certainly can, my dear. Debt to income ratio is your income in relation to your liabilities as reported on your credit report. So, Ivory, can you explain, so that I can finish explaining, what is on a credit? Explain.
So on the credit report, you're going to see any debts, meaning credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, auto leases, personal loans, any sort of debt that you've applied for. What you're not going to see are utility bills, cell phone bills, right? Any of your month-to-month bills that you didn't apply for credit to get.
In short, your debt to income ratio is your gross monthly income divided by all of your debts. So if we come up with, we'd like to see people below 45% debt to income, which means of your 100% available, we're only going to give you money on the 45% of that amount. So if you want to do a very easy calculation for that yourself, you add up all of your bills, and then if that is less than 45% of your total income, you're in a good spot.
Now, let me ask you a question. When it comes to income, is this what you're taking home on your paycheck, or is this before taxes?
Before taxes.
Before taxes.
Caveat to that. If you are self-employed, it is after taxes. If you are employed, it is before taxes.
Oh, good to know. If you have any questions about mortgages, debt to income, and all of that stuff to qualify, put them in the comments below.
And we will get with you post haste.